Good morning, dear children. Let us welcome to mathematics class. So, in the last class, we have discussed how to compare fractions. That is, when fractions are given, you are able to identify which is greater and which is smaller. Okay, and in that case, you learn like fractions and unlike fractions. Who knows like fractions and unlike fractions? Only they can compare fractions. If you don't know like fractions and unlike fractions, it is difficult to find which is smaller and which is greater fractions among given fractions. Right? Like fractions means denominators will be of same numbers, and we should observe numerator which is big numerator, that is big fraction. Unlike fractions means denominators are unequal. We should see the numerators, they are equal, and by looking at the denominator which is very big, that is small. Like this, we are compared fractions in the last period. Children, under block 3, let us start today next lesson, that is lesson number 2, finding equivalent fractions. Let us find equivalent fractions. So before finding equivalent fractions, children, you should know what are equivalent fractions. In the name of the lesson, in the name of the heading, in the name of the word, you will get the meaning. Equivalent means they are equal. What are equal? Fractions are equal. Equivalent fractions means fractions are equal. So here, fractions which represents same or equal value. To explain this meaning, I have taken 2 beakers. In that, half of the water is filled here in the first one, and here also half of the water is filled. Same amount of water you can find in both beakers. This beaker is divided into 2 parts, and this one is divided into 4 parts. So this is divided into 2 parts means 2, and 1 part is selected. Only out of 2 parts, 1 part is filled means 1 divided by 2. Here 4 parts are there, divided into 4 parts. In this, 2 parts, in this, 2 parts of water filled, 2 parts. So 2 divided by 4. 2 parts are filled here, 2 by 4. Only 1 part is filled here, 1 by 2. Children, amount of water is same. Amount of water is same. So because we are getting 1 by 2 and 2 by 4, reason is this is divided into 2 parts, this is divided into 4 parts. So now I can say this 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4 because the quantity of water is not changed here. How much water is filled? Same quantity of water is filled here. There is no change. Therefore, these two are equal. Therefore, 1 by 2 and 2 by 4 are equivalent to each other. So, the fractions which represents same value, same or equal value. This also represents 1 by 2. This also represents 1 by 2. This is half now. 1 by 2. So, the fractions which represents same value or equal value are called equivalent fractions. So, to know more further, if you have a doubt further here, one more example I have taken here, your doubts will be cleared. Right? 4 strips I have selected 4 strips, and first strip is divided into 3 parts, therefore 1 by 3. This part is 1 by 3. I will speak about only this part, children. I will forget about the remaining portion. Only I will discuss with 1 by 3 part. Here 1 by 3, this part is, because whole strip is divided into 3 parts, the value of this is 1 divided by 3. Out of 3 parts, 1 part is selected, 1 by 3. Children, this 1 by 3 part, you can see here, this 1 by 3 part, same length, 1 by 3 here. This same length is divided